So let's say when someone fills out your form, that is the Jotform form that you made, you might want to receive email notification that the form has been filled. So if you want that, then you can actually go to the settings right here and then go to the email section. So here you can see that I actually already have a notification set right here, which is sent to this particular channel. You can go ahead and disable or delete this out as well. So let's say you have not added in anything. So in that case, you can go ahead and add in a autoresponder email, that is send an email to the person who fills out the form, or you want a notification email right here. And then for new submissions, you can also receive regular digest emails in certain intervals. But in our case, we want the notification email, so I'm just going to go around and click right here. So over here, you can see the form title, the default options right here. You can even go ahead and change around the content right here. So you can see the placeholders right here for the form. And then this is where you will be able to see the data. So this is what I have. As you can see, you can even go ahead and format it out as you want. But what I'm simply going to do is go to recipients right here. So here you can see that the sender name is Jotform. You can go ahead and select the full name as well if you want to. But let me just go ahead and select Jotform. And then I'm going to go around over here. And here you can see like there's this email already, but you can simply go ahead and type in the email that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in this email address right here. And you can even access advanced settings like send file uploads as attachments. You can attach PDFs to it, hide empty fields, and even update the email. But I'm just going to go ahead and select this and click on save email now. So once this is done, what happens is that, let's say for example, someone actually goes ahead and then fills out the form now. So let's say for example, this is opened up as you can see. And now let's say I'm going to go ahead and fill out the form, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. So once you go ahead and do that, over here in my inbox, this is the email that I actually added in. I need to wait for a while. And here you can see the new Jotform email. So it is from Jotform as you can see. So if you were to go ahead and click, you'll be able to see what the other person filled. So right now you can see that this is the tutorial form and then full name was filled. So you are receiving that information. So that is how you can go ahead and use the email notification settings inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.